Rum Sunset. Get to know it. Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting that little bell next to it so you get all the alerts what we're doing. Alright? So like I was showing you in the intro, we are doing a rum sunset. Now I know you guys are all used to a tequila sunrise, but I'm putting my spin on it and we're gonna make a rum sunset. We're gonna make it slushy because it's freaking hot outside. And of course, you know we're putting an umbrella in that bad boy. All right, so come on back and I'll show you how we put this together.
Do some workouts. Oh my God.
Move that out of there.
Okay.
All right, guys, let's get started. We got a blender full of ice, and we're gonna start adding our boozy booze to it. All right, so we're gonna use some coconut rum. I'm not sponsored by any of these people, so I'm not gonna mention their names. So we're gonna do 2 shots worth of the coconut rum, and you know when I say I do my shots, you know, it might be closer to 3. Oops, oh no, spilled a little bit. Put that one over there. Now we're gonna get the white rum. Now if you're real adventurous, you can use that 151, but I am not that adventurous. And there we go. All right, put that down there. Got a good, healthy cup of orange juice. It's all going in. Looks good to me, right? Camera person? No, doesn't look good to you? No. Oh, that's right, you don't like orange juice.
Orange juice is gross.
All right, we're going on smoothie. I think you need a drink of this. You got an attitude.
Make something I like.
I can't help it if you don't like orange juice. All right, guys, so we got a nice frothy, icy blending drink here. So, we got our improv comedy glass from Ontario, California. Long pour, only spill a little bit. All right, this will be for later. I'm gonna put that in the freezer. I'm not gonna drink that. Crazy. All right, we're gonna put our little grenadine in this bad boy. Just kind of get it in the top. Getting all that. Look how pretty that looks. It's gonna blend in. Uh-oh, dropped a little on the counter. Look how pretty. You know what this needs right now though, don't you? You know what's coming next.
Your man card pulled?
My man card pulled. Yep, that too. Of course, we get got a bendy straw. Bloop. And I think you should go up here. Nope. Got my man card already. All right, we'll add that umbrella. Looks pretty darn good to me. What do you think? Meh? All right. You don't like orange juice. I don't know what to tell you. All right, so let's try this. Oh, that's some good flavor right there. And for all you haters, this is the real deal right here. Frothy, yet smooth, yet delicious. Strong. Foo-foo, girly, whatever you want to call it. This is the bomb. All right, try this. Refreshing for a hot day. It's hot in Southern California right now. Try this bad boy. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you're willing to try this, if you're willing to be a real man and put an umbrella and a spendy neon straw in your drink, you let me know in the comments below. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.